A very good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope all are doing good and stay safe at home. Today we have a GS class. In GS class, already we completed sixth lesson. What is that? Bones and muscles. Bones and muscles. What we learned in previous class? In sixth lesson, what I told to you? Human body and I'll explain about. Already I explained human body and human skeleton. Human body and human skeleton. So now what is the hard structure of our body? Bones. Bones are the hard structure of our body. Next, what is the soft structure of our body? Flesh and muscles. Flesh and muscles both are soft structure of our body. Now body. Okay, then after the skeleton, all the bones of our body are joined together to get a framework. If we don't have any bones, we can't do anything. Because of bones and muscles, both are help us to work together. What is the work together? Sit, stand, walk, run, lie, and work. So those are the bones and muscles work together. Next, how many bones we have? We have 206 bones. How many muscles we have in our human body? More than 600 muscles we have in our body. Which part? Organs. Soft organs. What are the soft parts inside our body? Soft parts inside our body. What we call? Organs. Soft parts inside our body. What we call? Organs. Then what are the soft part? What are the organs inside our body? It will be very soft. What are they? Brain, lungs, kidneys, and also heart, stomach, intestine. Those are the soft parts, soft organs in our body. Which is the longest bone in our body? Thigh bone. Thigh bone is the longest bone in our body. Next, bones are very strong. As bones are very strong, but they can break. We can fall. Okay, hello. Doctors use X-ray. Doctors use X-ray photos to see if your bone is broken or not. Is it done? It's also over. Sixth chapter was over. So next chapter, please open your textbook. Please open your textbook, page number 166. Page number 166. Seventh chapter, exercise and postures. Exercise and postures. See here. First of all, I will read, then after I will explain. We must keep our body fit and active. We must keep our body fit and active. Our body is strong if its muscles are strong. When our body is strong, muscles, bones, if they are strong, muscles, bones are strong, our body is also strong. Our body is strong if its muscles are strong. The muscles can grow stronger if we exercise them regularly. When the muscles were strong, the muscles can grow stronger if we exercise daily or regularly. We must take exercise daily. Yes, we must take exercise regularly. What we learn in this first para? First, we must keep our body. We must keep our body fit and active. Fit and active because our body is strong. If its muscles are strong, our body is strong. When the muscles were strong, automatically our body will be strong. The muscles can go stronger if we exercise them regularly. The muscles can grow stronger if we exercise them regularly. We must take exercise daily. We must take exercise daily. Now, here exercise is there. What are the exercise? Exercise builds the muscles. Exercise builds the muscles. It regulates the digestion. It regulates our digestion part. It regulates our digestion parts. It improves the breathing system. So what the system we have? Breathing system. We breathe with our nose. We breathe with our nose. Okay? And this breathing system, what we call respiration. Okay? It improves the breathing system. If we can do daily exercise, it will be improves our breathing system. Muscles also very strong. Okay? The exercise makes the blood in the body pure. The blood in the body pure. Because the exercise, if we daily you have to exercise makes the blood is very pure. Okay, the blood is what we learn? 3 points we learn. The blood is very pure. Muscles are very strong. And also what we learn? Breathing system is it improves breathing system also. 3 points we learned. If we daily exercise regularly, okay, we must take exercise daily or regularly, we will improve our breathing system. Muscles are very strong, and also our blood also pure. It increases our appetite. It increases our appetite. Appetite means digestion system. Digestion system also it increases. So the body grows stronger. So what happened after that exercise? The body will be strong. The body also strong and grows also, growing power also strong, immunity power, growing power also stronger in our body. Build up muscles protect the bones well. So build up muscles are build up, protect the bones well. So here see this pictures is there. These are the some of the this is also it's not a game. This is also doing as an exercise. Skipping. This is swimming. This is playing football. This is also exercise. Only exercise means 1, 2, 3. Those are not a exercise. These also playing football in park, inside the park. Okay, swimming also one of the exercises. Skipping also one of the exercises. So these are all improve our body system. So the body grows will be stronger. Build up muscles protect the bones as well. Okay. Next one is never take heavy exercise. Don't do heavy exercise because our body will be very. So never take heavy exercise because of our body will be getting tired. Okay. It shall tire your body. Light exercise is really useful. Light exercise, only half an hour exercise will be over. Okay, you can do daily half an hour exercise. That's enough per day. Group exercise and playing different games are the best ways to keep good health. Group exercise and playing different games. What are the playing different games? Football, volleyball, okay, cricket. Playing with our friends. Those are the good for health. Okay. And this what we learn in this exercise and postures, seventh lesson. We must keep our body fit and active because our body is strong if its muscles are very strong. The muscles can grow stronger if we exercise them regularly. We must take exercise regularly or daily. Exercise builds the muscles. Exercise builds the muscles. It regulates our digestion system. It regulates our digestion system. It improves the breathing system, and it will be purify blood also. Purify the blood. It increases our appetite. It increases our appetite. So the body grows very strong. So the body grows very stronger. Build up muscles protect the bones well. If we exercise, you must take exercise daily. Then breathing system will be improved. Appetite system will be improved. So blood is also purified in our body. Blood will be also purified. Okay, it regulates the digestion system also. So what are the exercises we will do in our daily life? Skipping, running, cycling, swimming. Okay. Games. What are the games we do? We are playing in the ground. Okay, cricket, volleyball, football. Those are all under the coming to under the exercise. It is keep our health. So this is enough for today, students. Read the lesson 7th chapter. Okay, read the lesson 7th chapter twice. Okay. 6 chapters were finished. Okay, you send to me. Somebody not completed 6th chapter. Please, as early as possible, please send to me the class work and sense table. Thank you, one and all. Take care about yourself. Bye.